How to create split screen. CapCut PC tutorial. I'm going to show you how we can create this split screen effect in CapCut for PC. So just follow my steps. I've opened CapCut for my PC, and let's add the first video onto our main track. Adjust your video, and I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger, and then I'll put the person at the left side of my frame. The next thing which I'll do is to add the second video above my first one. Select that video. Then find the opacity option at the right side, and then lower it to around 50%. We'll do this so that we can adjust the position of the second video. And I will now drag the woman on the right side and position it in the frame. Increase the opacity back to 100%, and then make sure that our second video is selected. Once again, go over to this mask section, then click on the Add Mask button. We'll select the split mask because that will create our split screen effect. If you want to rotate this mask, click on the circle icon and then rotate it to your liking. Tap on the line and then drag it a little bit to the left. And you had created your split screen in CapCut for PC. You can repeat these exact steps and add 3, 4, or even more videos, but that's about it. Everyone, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you soon.